We like automation. It's a great way to help optimize your business processes, to help the team to be most productive and feel good about their work, and to provide consistency and quality for our customers. That said, automation is very easy to misuse. When we automate a manual process that's inefficient or ineffective, we just create more problems. We end up automating our mistakes and cranking out defects even faster. Avoiding this problem means that we need to understand what not to automate as much as what to automate. So we've put together a quick list of things you shouldn't try to automate and why.
Number 1, don't try to automate everything. It may seem tempting, and it's easy to get carried away with the idea of shiny new automation, but automating everything won't work immediately. You'll end up wasting time and money automating processes that are either not needed or that are better handled by humans. Sometimes we assume that automation fixes everything, but it really doesn't. Without a process that has been streamlined as the basics for automation, we risk making our processes much more complex and even more frustrating and difficult to fix problems.
Number 2, don't automate a process that's overly complicated. For example, think about calling into an automated customer service phone tree. No one wants to be stuck in an automated phone call that lasts forever. Slowly making your way through random questions and hold sequences is painful. Automating a process that's overly complicated to begin with wastes precious technical project time and ends up making the users and customers frustrated. Instead, automation should be used to create a smooth and seamless experience for users. It's not that automation software isn't capable of complex processes. It definitely is. It can run workflows with several steps and data touchpoints, using advanced layers of if-then scenarios and rules. And it can do this accurately and efficiently. But sometimes, during complex processes, you need human intervention and decision-making. If it's a process that demands significant human attention at many stages, don't try to automate it all. Instead, automate the smaller, simpler segments. It's about using automation as a tool to help employees to increase accuracy and efficiency in completing their most complex tasks. Just don't attempt to automate the entire process.
Number 3, don't automate uncommon or rare processes. This ties back to not needing to automate everything. When asking yourself what not to automate, it can help to review the process where you're thinking of automating. Is it something that you need to be doing continuously, like data entry or manual calculations, for example? Then automation is a good way to go. Automation is best for common, constant, and systematic tasks that follow a standard pattern. But don't take it too far. If the process isn't routine, if it's not straightforward or it doesn't occur often, automating it will likely be creating unnecessary complications.
Number 4, automation should provide a measurable return on investment, or ROI. We want to spend our time and resources optimizing busy processes where automation gives a moderate to high ROI. Any processes that would offer no or low ROI if automated go on the list of what not to automate. It's a good time to think of the 3 V's: volume, variance, and value. The ideal tasks to automate are ones that are high volume, have a low variance between each transaction, and come at a high resource cost or value to perform.
So the list of what not to automate is considerably small compared to the list of processes you can and should automate. Business process automation can save huge amounts of time, money, and effort, not to mention admin headaches. But like everything else, it's a balance and making sound decisions when choosing automation as a solution for the problem that you are working to solve.